Hello everyone, meet with Miss Swidi. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Term 1. In the term 1, there are chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 numbers to 1000, and in the chapter 2 more about numbers. And then in the chapter 1 numbers to 1000 we will learn place value and numbers and words. In the chapter 2 more about numbers, we will learn counting on and counting back, comparing and rounding numbers.
Chapter 1. Today we are going to study about numbers to 1000. The first we are going to know 1, symbol 1. This is symbol 1, and then this is symbol 10, and this is symbol 100, and then this is symbol 1000. Look at the picture below. Now there are some hundreds and some tens and some ones. Please look at the picture. How many hundreds? Yeah, good. It has 3 hundreds. And how many tens? Yeah, it has 4 tens. And how many ones? Good. It has 2 ones. So it makes 3-digit number is 342. The next, place value. Place value means nilai tempat. There are some 200, there are 8 tens, and there are 5 ones. 200 plus 8 tens plus 5 ones equals 285. 285 is 3-digit number. 100, its value is 100. Tens, its value is 10. Ones, its value is 1. Okay, look the number of 285. The digit 2 is in the, yeah, good, 100 place. Its value is, yeah, 200. The digit 8 is in the, yeah, tens place. Its value is 80. The digit 5 is in the ones place. Its value is, yeah, good, 5. Numbers and words. Mari kita belajar angka dan kosakatanya. Nah, 300 4 tens to 1 is 342. We can write 342 as 3, THREE, 3, 100, HUNDRED, 100, and 42, 40, FOURTYTWO, 42, 342. 300, 5 ones is 305. You can write 305. 718 in a number is 718. 700 itu 700 ditambah 18, 18. Jadi 718. 120 in a number is 120. 100 means 100, 20 means 20. 100 plus 20 equals 120. 806 in a number is 806.
Next, let's practice in the page 4. Let's count together. Number 1. Number 1, how many hundreds are there? Yeah, there are 3 hundreds. How many tens? Yeah, 0 tens. And how many ones? Yeah, 0 ones. Number 2, how many hundreds are there? Yeah, there are 2 hundreds. And how many tens? Yeah, there are 3 hundreds. And how many ones? There are 3 ones. Number 3, how many hundreds are there? Yeah, 300. Oh, I'm sorry, 400. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tens. And how many ones? Yeah, 0 ones. Number 1, let's practice in the page 6. Let's do it. What are the numbers? Yeah, A, 100, 3 tens, 9 ones equals 139. Number B, 6 hundreds, 8 tens, 5 ones equals 685. Number 2, complete the sentence. Number 2A, the digit 8 in 508 is in the 8, angka 8 ini kalau di angka 508 berada di nilai satuan, ones place. Its value is 8. Number B, the digit 7 in 370 is in the tens place, berada di angka puluhan. Angka 7 ini jika dalam angka 370 berada di angka puluhan. Its value is bernilai 70 or 70. Next, let's practice number 9, page 9. Number 1, count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hundreds. 400, its value is 400. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 9. 9 ones. 400 plus 9 equals 409. Number 2, what are the numbers? 608 means 608. Number B, 712 means 712. Number 3, write in words. Mari kita tulis 348 sama saja dengan 348. 506 sama saja dengan 506. Number C, 921. Jika kita tulis 921. Number 4, let's match together. Number A, 160. 160, 160. Number B, 211. 211. Number C, 482. 482. 703. 703. Chapter 2, more about numbers. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang angka within 1000 sampai dengan angka 1000. Counting on and counting back. Counting on means menghitung maju. Let's we count on in ones. Mari kita menghitung maju dalam angka satuan. Starting from 200. 200 plus 1 equals 201. 201 plus 1 equals 202. 202 equals 203. And then 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209 the last. So, one more than 206 is, nah kalau ada kata-kata more than itu artinya lebih dari. Satu lebihnya dari angka 206. You can look the number of 206 in the number line. Dilihat di sini ada angka 206, 206. One more than, kalau one more than berarti bertambah 1. 206 ditambah 1, maju 1 langkah, berarti 207. One more than 206 is 207. Next, we count on in tens. Mari kita menghitung maju dalam angka puluhan. Starting from 200. Mari kita mulai dengan angka 200. Let's count together. 200, 200 plus 10 equals 210. 210 plus 10 equals 220. 220 plus 10 equals 230. And then 240, and then 250, and then 260, and then 270, and then 280, and then 290. 10 more than 270 is 10 lebih dari 270 adalah, okay, let's look the number of 270 in the number line. 270 plus 10. Kalau ada kata-kata more than, berarti kita menggunakan addition. We can use addition. 270 plus 10 equals 208. We count on in hundreds. Mari kita menghitung maju dalam angka ratusan. Starting from 100. Mari kita mulai dari angka 100. 100 plus. Nah, because count on in hundreds, we can plus 100. 100 plus 100 equals 200. 200 plus 100 equals 300. 300 plus 100 equals 400. And then 500, and then 600, and then 700, and then 800, and then 900, the last 1000. 1000 more than 600 is 100 lebihnya dari 600 adalah, look at the number line in the number 600. Nah, you can plus because this is more than. You can addition, you can use addition. 600 plus 100 equals 700. Okay, let's learn counting back. What is counting back? Counting back means menghitung mundur. Jadi counting back itu sama saja dengan menghitung mundur. We count back in ones. Mari kita menghitung mundur dalam angka satuan. Starting from 200. Let's count back together. 200 minus 1. 199 minus 1. 198 minus 1, 197, and then 196, and then 195, and then 194, and then 193, and then 192, the last 191. Please find one less than 198 is. Nah, mari kita cari nih. Kita cari berapa sih kurangnya dari 1 kurangnya dari 198. Ya, ada kata-kata less than. Less than berarti kita kurangi. 198 minus 1 equals 197. Jadi 198 karena less than berarti dikurangi 1 menjadi 197. We count back in tens. Mari kita menghitung mundur dalam angka puluhan. Starting from 200. Let's count back together. 200. 200 minus 10 equals 190. 190 minus 10 equals 180. And then 170, and then 160, and then 150, and then 140, and then 130, and then 120, the last 110. 10 less than 150 is 10 kurangnya dari 150 adalah, nah ada kata-kata less than, so you can use what? Subtraction. Ya, good. Subtraction. 150 minus 150 minus 10 equals 140. Nah, let's count back in hundreds. Mari kita menghitung dalam angka ratusan. Starting from 1000. We count back. 1000. 1000 minus 100. Nah, because count back in 100, so we can minus 100. 1000 minus 100 equals 900. 900 minus 100 equals 800. And then 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100. 100 less than 300 is, nah ada kata-kata less than, berarti 300 minus 100. 300 dikurangi 100 sama dengan 200. 200. Next, we will learn comparing and rounding numbers. The first, let's learn comparing. Comparing means membandingkan. Jadi comparing itu artinya membandingkan. Kalau comparing numbers artinya berarti membandingkan angka. Nah, dalam comparing numbers kita akan mengenal simbol greater than. Greater than means lebih dari, smaller than means kurang dari. Oke, the first, let's compare 42 and 210. Mari kita membandingkan angka 42 dan 210. Okay, look at the table, please. Okay, the first you can look the digit number. Kamu bisa lihat angka digitnya. Nah, anak-anak bisa lihat angka digitnya. Bandingkan, ada yang angka digitnya berapa ini? 42. 42 berarti ya, 4 and 2. 42 is 2 digit number. Jadi 42 itu mempunyai 2 digit angka. And 210 has 3 digit number. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 0. So 210 has 3 digit numbers. Nah, so 210 is greater than 42. Kenapa kok pakai greater than, Bu Widi? Karena sudah jelas 3 digit angka lebih besar daripada 2 digit angka. Next. Okay, let's compare 206 and 135. Nah, the first we can compare the digits in the 100 place. Mari kita bandingkan digit angka yang ada pada nilai angka ratusan. Nah, there are 2 and 1. 2 is greater than 1. So, 206 is greater than 135. Next, compare 362 and 345. The first, we can compare the digits in the 100 place. Nah, in the 100 place, there are 3 and 3. They are the same. Mereka sama. Ternyata nilainya sama nih mereka, 3 dan 3. So, the next we can compare the digits in the tens place. Mari kita bandingkan yang selanjutnya angka puluhannya. Angka puluhannya there are 6 and 4. 4 is smaller than 6. So, 345 is smaller than 362. Order 36, 214, and 125. Mari kita mengurutkan. Ordering means mengurutkan. Okay, let's order. Nah, the first, you can look the digit number Anak-anak bisa lihat angka digitnya. Nah, there are 2 digit number, ada yang 2 digit angka. Nah, and there are 3 digit numbers, ada juga yang 3 digit angka. Since 36 is the smallest, sudah jelas 36 pasti paling kecil. Karena apa? Karena 2 digit angka. We compare 214 and 125. Mari kita bandingkan 214 dan 125. Let's look in the 100 place. Nah, 2 and 1. 2 is greater than 1. So, 214 is greater than 125. Okay, let's ordering from the ordering numbers. We have 214, 125, and 36. 214 is the largest number, and 36 the smallest numbers. Next, rounding numbers. Rounding numbers means membulatkan angka. Numbers ending in less than 5 are rounded down. Numbers ending in 5 or more are rounded up. Nah, there are some example. This is 22. 22, let's round it. Oke, mari kita bulatkan angka 22. Di sini tadi kata Tom, numbers ending in less than 5 are rounded down. Jika angka terakhirnya, ini angka terakhirnya adalah 2, kurang dari 5, maka dia dibulatkan ke bawah. Nah, 2 ini berarti kurang dari 5. 2 is less than 5. So we can round it down. 22 rounded to the nearest 10 is 20. Okay, next 124. 124, the last number is 4. Angka terakhirnya adalah 4. So 4 is less than 5. You can round it down to the nearest 10 is 120. The next 623, 623. The last number of 623 is 3. 3 less than 5. 3 itu kurang dari 5. So you can round it down to the nearest 10 is 620. Next, 125. Look, the numbers ending is 5. 5 or more are rounded up. Jadi kalau ada angka terakhirnya 5, maka anak-anak bisa bulatkan ke atas. Okay, you can round it up to the nearest 10 is 130. 207. Look at the last number. The last number 207 is 7. 7 more than 5. So you can round it up to the nearest 10 is 210. Nah, there are 859. Look at the numbers ending 859. 9 is the last number, so 9 is more than 5. So you can round it up to the nearest 10 is 860. Round 268 to the nearest 100. Mari kita bulatkan 268 ke angka ratusan terdekat. Nah, 268 is between 200 and 300. Nah, jadi angka 268 itu berada di antara angka 200 dan 300. 268 is nearer to 300 than 200. Jadi 268 itu angkanya lebih dekat ke angka 300 daripada 200. So you can round it up. 268 rounded to the nearest 100 is 300. Or you can look at the digit in the tens place. Atau anak-anak juga bisa lihat angka yang berada di tengah atau angka yang letaknya di angka puluhan, yaitu angka 6. 268 angka tengahnya 6. 6 is more than 5, so you can round it up. Karena 6 itu lebih dari 5, jadi anak-anak bisa dibulatkan ke atas menjadi 300. Oke, round 850 to the nearest 100. Mari kita bulatkan 850 ke angka ratusan terdekat. 850 is the middle number between 800 and 900. Nah, 5 in the 10th place, so you can round it up. Karena 5 berada di angka puluhan, maka anak-anak bisa bulatkan ke atas. 850 rounded up to the nearest 100 is 900. Okay, let's round each number to the nearest 10. In the let's practice page 24. A, 3 rounded down 0. 25 rounded up to 30. 103 rounded down to 100. 727 rounded up to 730. 989 rounded up to 990. Number 2, round each number to the nearest 100. Mari kita bulatkan angka-angka ratusan terdekat untuk setiap angka yang ada di nomor 2. Number A, 123 rounded down to 100. Number B, 250 rounded up to 300. Number C, 501 rounded down to 500. Number D, 777 rounded up to 800. Number E, 845 rounded up to 800. Rounded down, yeah, I'm sorry. Number E, rounded down to 800. Number 3, number 3, 803. Okay, let's practice page 16. Number 1, 1 more than 324. Satu lebihnya dari 324 adalah more than. So you can use addition. 324 plus 1 equals 325. Number B, 10 more than 324. More than. So you can use addition. 324 plus 10 equals 334. 324 more than 100, or 100 more than 324 is 424. Because this is more than, you can use addition. Number 2, less than. Number 2, use less than, so you can use subtraction. Number 1, 324 minus 1 equals 323. 10 less than 324 is 324 minus 10 equals 314. Number C, 324 minus 100 equals 224. Number 3, A, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 545, 555, 565, 575, 585 plus 10 ya. Number C, 640, 630. Minus 10. Yo, 630 minus 10, 620 minus 10, 610 minus 10, 600. Number D, 968, 868. So 768, 668 minus 100. Number D. Okay, next let's practice 22. Draw a ring around the larger number. Manakah yang lebih besar? Lebih besar. Number B, Ya, good. Number 2, the order numbers. Mari kita urutkan angkanya. Number A start with the largest. Kalau start with the largest berarti mulai dari angka yang terbesar. Nah, dilihat di sini, look. Nah, the largest number, the largest number is 780. Nah, number B start with the smallest. Smallest berarti yang paling kecil. Paling kecil berarti berapa? Smallest number is 619. Number 3, you can comparing number. You can use greater than and less than to make the sentence correct. Number A, number B, number C, number D. Okay, thank you very much.